Hello, welcome back to another exciting episode. In today's video, we'll be building a modular React application using import and export, uh, exceptionally bare bones here. Um, it's going to have a few components, including header, footer, component A, B, and a shared resources, or shared components, excuse me. You'll need npm, node, React, an internet connection, and a web browser, and a little elbow grease. App The file app.js imports everything, the components just mentioned, and it arranges them on the page. Um, and we used npx create React app, uh, and then we named it this to create the React app. But let's look at app.js. This video should be pretty quick compared to some of my other ones. So you obviously have to import React from React. Uh, the syntax here for importing the header from component header, which is here in the src file. We created the components file though. And then content A and B are also imported. So just a ton of imports. But it's a cool way, and it saves you having to it's all component based, kind of like, oh my gosh, I can't think of Flutterflow. So kind of almost like Flutterflow sort of a feeling versus if you were using like Express where it's all done in the back end. It's a little bit different. Might not be doing the best job of explaining it. So function app, the purpose of that is to act as the main container for the app. So it imports and renders everything, and it also structures it. So here you have the header, content A, content B. So that's kind of cool. Now, just quickly to look at content A, there's nothing really to it. I don't know why that's there. Uh, import React from React, shared components. This is content A, and I don't need that there either. This is content B. It's the same, but let me talk you through this a little bit more. It gets it from shared components, which we'll be looking at in a minute, which is why it's just doesn't really have any information. Um, you can reuse components in different sections of the app without having to rewrite it, which is one of the main benefits of modularity in React. Modularity is a design principle that emphasizes separating functionality into independent interchangeable modules, each of which encapsulates its own functionality and can be reused across different parts of an app. And it's usually done through components, which are self-contained pieces. Just to quickly look at shared components now. It's kind of like a toolbox which contains the reusable components. So you do have to import React and then button. So what you are taking is the button and the style, the component of that. So if we need 10 more buttons, you can say, all right, well, here, we'll put it in here, and it's a const button. And what that gives you is a button with this style. And it just says click me. So if you look back here, you're importing button from that. So when you say export content B, return, if you notice, it's also capitalized as well, um, which is very interesting because you're importing the button component there. And let me show you really quickly what it looks like. It's pretty basic. Um, footer is here, header is here. I guess I didn't I only did the shared component with content A and B. I think that was the assignment, but I could have done it with a head. I guess no, because it's a header and footer. You wouldn't really be. No, technically you could. Technically you could. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.